Taming Modal Verbs, Mastering Permission Expressions in English. Hello, language explorers. Welcome to another exciting journey into the world of English grammar. Today, we're diving into the captivating realm of modal verbs, focusing on how they are used to express permission. This lesson will help you clarify the common mistakes and confusion around these handy verbs. Let's start by discovering which modal verbs are commonly used to express permission. There are primarily two verbs we use, can and may. For example, 1. You can go to the party. 2. May I use your phone? These two verbs, although used interchangeably in many instances, do have some nuances. Can is considered more informal, while may is seen as more formal and polite. Often, people get confused when to use can and may. It's important to remember that both are correct in most contexts, but may is more formal and is often used when asking for permission. For example, 1. Can I borrow your pen? Less formal. 2. May I borrow your pen? More formal. Keep in mind that although both are correct, may is sometimes considered more appropriate in formal or polite settings. Now that we know the basic usage of can and may, let's go through some common mistakes. Don't use can or may with do. This is unnecessary and incorrect. For instance, say, may I go to the restroom? Not, may I do go to the restroom? Can and may are both used in the present. If you want to talk about permission in the past, use could or was allowed to. For example, I could play outside when I finished my homework. Great job so far! Let's put our knowledge to the test with some exercises. 1. Choose the correct word. _______ I take a break. Can. May. 2. Correct the mistake. May I do have a cookie? 3. Fill in the blank. I ______ go to my friend's house after school when I was a child. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't forget to do your exercises regularly. Congratulations! You've now explored the ins and outs of expressing permission using modal verbs. We hope you found this video helpful, and we can't wait to see you confidently using can and may in your daily conversations. Remember, learning a language is a journey. So keep exploring, keep practicing, and most importantly, keep enjoying the process. Until next time, happy learning!